Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are diving into a super useful topic, how to calculate the probability value or p-value using Microsoft Excel. Whether you're a student working on a stats assignment or analyzing data for a project, understanding p-values is essential. P-values are essential for making decisions and hypothesis testing. A smaller p-value means it's less likely the results happened by chance. For most cases, we compare it with a significance level, usually 0.05. If the p-value is less than 0.05, we reject the null hypothesis. If it's more than 0.05, we don't. All right, now let's switch over to Excel and see how we can calculate this using real data. I've got a simple example here. Let's say we are testing whether a new teaching method is more effective than the traditional one. We have got two sets of test scores, one of the students who learned with the traditional method and one for the new method. In Excel, I will put both groups in two separate columns. Let's label them traditional and new method. Make sure each column has at least a few data points, ideally 10 or more. I will just type in some sample scores so we can follow along. Now to compare these two groups statistically, we are going to use a T-test, and Excel makes this super easy. Click on an empty cell where you want the p-value to appear and type in the formula =T.TEST array1, array2, tails type. Let me break that down real quick. Array1 is the first group, array2 is the second group. Tails is either 1 or 2 depending on whether we are doing a one-tailed or two-tailed test. Type tells Excel which kind of t-test we are doing. For example, if we are comparing means and assuming equal variances, we will use type 2. If we are not assuming equal variances, we use type 3. Let's say we want to do a two-tailed test, assuming unequal variances. Our formula would look like this, T.TEST B2 B11, C2 C11 23. Now hit enter and there it is. Excel gives us the p-value instantly. If that value is less than 0.05, it means there is a statistically significant difference between the two groups. If it's more than 0.05, then the difference isn't significant and we fail to reject the null hypothesis. And that's it, just a few simple steps to get a p-value directly from your data in Excel. But wait, real quick, I know some of you might be wondering, when do I use type 1, 2, or 3 in the t-test? Here's a quick guide. Type 1 is for paired samples like before and after scenarios. Type 2 is for two-sample tests assuming equal variances. Type 3 is for two-sample tests not assuming equal variances, which is usually the safer option if you're not sure. For the tails, use 1 for one-tailed tests where you're only checking in one direction. Use 2 for two-tailed when you're checking both directions. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.